up the inside of Alex Rins, and Captain leads from Marquez and Dobby to the Joseph. Just Rins on a lightning start from that fourth row, already in the slow pace at the front, and they're really Marquez trying to find a way back. Jorge Lorenzo, first one team to a battle in the first lap as well. Started 7th, he's in 7th place. That was a big shot there between Zarco and Unani. It's the classic flip pass into turn number 3. Right that way. There's Valentino Rossi right on the rear tire of Andrea. You know that's because Unani got a big market still. This is Martin Falls from Zarco. Down into turn 9. Lorenzo, turn 10. Lorenzo last time around a couple of tenths. It had a shape on the brakes there for Lorenzo. This year, but the only man out there that went for that high option rear tyre. He just back himself to it. There's no wavering, there's no deviating. That was his tyre choice. After the warm session, he's going to go for it. He's making it back in the front. That's the lead for Marquez. There's Lorenzo in second place. Alonso in third. They go into turn 6. Than him, and we know that's nothing can be special about a 14th place on the grid and the 7th place in the race. Best that Valentino Rossi could hope for, and he will have the on probably one of the worst weekends in recent memory for the award. Something special happens underneath that fairing. The Bologna have definitely worked their magic on that desmodromic valve engine, because it's just an absolute weapon. Before the Czech Republic race last week fight, he proved that was a myth last weekend, and he Red Bull Ring Classic.
Jorge Lorenzo wins. He moves up to